So we start off with someone who has pretty long hair. I'd say about tailbone length or so. Wow, the stylist is going quite short with this one. Oh, so she ended up getting this beautiful pixie haircut. Absolutely gorgeous makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So here we have another big chop pixie makeover. Wow, absolutely stunning. A lot of face framing with the bangs there. Choppiness going there at the top. Absolutely stunning. I love watching the long to pixie transformations. They are just so mesmerizing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a long to bob haircut transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing a classic bob haircut for that one. Absolutely gorgeous. Whoa! This person's hair is almost down to their ankles. Wow. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut. Gorgeous curtain style bangs added in the front. Beautiful transformation. So we have a bit of a layered makeover for the next one. Some more curtain style bangs infused with a lob haircut. Beautiful. And we have another lob bob makeover. Gorgeous, effortless style. Followed by this stylist who has a very popular signature pixie undercut look that he likes to do. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the feathered bangs with that one. This particular stylist definitely has a signature look, and all of his clients leave the salon looking absolutely gorgeous. Next up looks like another bob haircut transformation. Looks like she got some face framing highlights. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And then once again, we have that same stylist doing his signature undercut pixie style. Beautiful heightened crown area and side swept bangs. And then of course we have his signature peekaboo shaven side. So it looks like the stylist is doing a layered haircut for this next one. I love her hair color. Beautiful reddish brown, beautiful bangs. This cut is very chic and stylish, but I think for me the color really just sets it off. And then we have another gorgeous lob haircut. Followed by a beautiful bob with side swept bangs. Wow, her hair looks absolutely stunning. I love the bounce and volume that she got from the cut. She looks absolutely amazing. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyles, be sure to check out this video next.